Some people don't want to go through life without any scars. And that's what April's doing here from Parrot Playhouse today. And Bob is more than willing to give her a scar or two, but she hasn't decided she wants one from Bob. Maybe from someone else?
I'm a hairdresser. I need all my fingers for tomorrow.
Nah. These guys do really well without fingers. You could use your feet.
Science knowledge only adds to the excitement, the mystery, and the awe of a flower.
Evidence is evidence. It's public. Everybody can look at the evidence and assess it, and eventually, if there's enough evidence, come to the same conclusion.
The Chloe Sanctuary for Parrots and Cockatoos, a non-profit charity dedicated to the empowerment of captive parrots and public awareness.
I forget what I was saying.
You were saying that Bob was the only one in here that frightens you, right?
Bob is the only one in here that threatens me. Everybody else I'm fine with, but he has a really strong personality. Really strong. It is hard when he's coming at you. It's a little scary. I have to admit, I'm scared. It takes a lot to scare me, bird-wise.
He does that to people, unfortunately. He loves people, but he just doesn't know how to deal with them. Now, I didn't capture this on film, but Lorelei has been just a little bit out of control. She's been nipping at my toes and also at April's toes. So
got me. She's just having a hard time. She's hormonal.
Now, Peaches is down by the toes, but Peaches isn't doing anything except sitting there wanting to get petted.
And
She's
is
being
this
quiet.
Lucy right here?
That's Snowball.
Oh, that's Snowball. I'm so sorry, guys. It's terrible when somebody... Oh, there's Lucy. It's terrible when somebody calls you the wrong name. Hi, Snowball. I didn't even know you were down there. It's hard because I'm running from Bob, and I don't want to step on anybody. Yeah, Bob. You keep me definitely going, don't you? Hi, Cecil. Hi, Cecil. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, buddy.
You gonna get Lorelei?
Oh,
There
careful.
goes Lorelei.
Careful. Did you knock her down?
You running away, Lorelei?
Did he knock her down?
No, she jumped away from him.
She's not happy.
Well, whenever he's got a toy, she'll get away from him. But as soon as he gets rid of the toy, she'll try to mate with him, so.
Oh, God. You want this one? You want this? Gentle. Oh, God. There he goes. It just made it worse. You got your toy? You running with it? You running with your toy? Ooh, there he goes with his toy. There he goes with his toy. Let me get that toy. I'm gonna take it from you. I'm gonna take it from you. Rawr, rawr. Come here. Come here, silly. Oh, here comes Bob. Here comes
Babaloo.
Bob.
Babaloo!
Hi, baby. Oh, he's picking up some speed. Are you picking up some speed? Can you get past me? Oh, I'm not gonna let you get past me. I'm not gonna let you get past me. Hi, can I have that? Can I have it? You're like a dog. You're way smarter than a dog, though. Yeah. You're way smarter than a dog. Jump, 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 jump. Come here. I'm gonna block it. I'm gonna block it. You're gonna have to... You see that?
I saw that. I got it on video, in fact.
He charged you as hard as he could. I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna block you again. He just clonking on my head with that thing. It was so funny. Okay, I'm gonna get out of your way this time because I know you mean business. I thought
You try to take his toy away? That's,
I
yeah, that
thought he
works.
would stop and he rammed my head as hard as he could with that block.
That's never happened to me. I have no idea what that's like.
You laughing.
He knows that I don't like him doing it to other birds, so he'll come over and whack me with the toy.
Oh my goodness. I love you so much. No, you stay there, Bob. You stay there, Bob. Hi.
Babaloo?
I'm gonna get those little thighs. I'm gonna get those little thighs. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Those little clunk chunks. Those little floofs. You have little floofs there? You got floof and chops up here? Yeah, I got floofs down there and floofs there. Yeah. You're a good
She really does not feel that great, does she?
Yes.
She?
Yeah.
You talking about Sal?
Wait, no. Lorelai.
That's not Lorelai. That's Snowball.
Jeez, Snowball, I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
I'm so sorry, Snowball. Getting them all mixed up. Like, I'm getting these birds all mixed up. I can always tell Lucy because she has the small eyes. She has like the small little eyes, and everybody knows who's Bob is. Yes. I can always tell Bob because he's trying to kill me. And then, there's Salamander. Yeah, there's Salamander. And there's Cecil.
You want up?
On the head.
Oh, I'm sorry. Cecil, go get her. Go on, go get her.
I better not touch you under your wings. Give me that. That's mine now. You clunk me on the head, that becomes mine. I own this thing. Yeah, I own it. Come here. Come here, tough guy. Come here, tough guy. Oh my God. I love you. I love you. Yeah. I love you. Yeah. Here comes Buddy. Whoa, that was a jump. That was a good jump.
Yeah, with Buddy, I wouldn't be surprised if he starts saying, "I never drink wine," because that's what I do when I give him the medicine. We say that every time. So.
Boom, boom, boom. Are you gonna dance? Are you gonna dance? Are you gonna dance? Are you gonna dance? You're sweet. Oh, you're like a little clown. You're like a kayik. You remind me so much of a kayik. Yeah, you can like do anything to you. You can like hang you upside down. You're just like, yeah. Are you a kayik? Are you a kayik? Yeah? Yeah, you got a white belly like one. You got a white belly like one. How are you? Yeah. Yeah, you want to go away? Oh, you're I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone.
Oh. Bob. It's amazing that look seems so scary, doesn't it?
Yeah.
He's got a scary look to his face.
It's okay, honey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Bob. Yeah. Do you think it's when he does that he's nervous? Or it's just because he's learned this is what gets a reaction, that
He's learned.
open beak?
Yeah, he's learned the open beak gets a reaction.
Yeah.
It's a measure of control in his world, so.
Yeah.
He didn't have much before he came here.
No, he didn't. It's sad because if you would end up in a different place, what happened? Oh, if you would end up in a different place, they wouldn't understand him like you do.
Bob, be nice.
Be nice. No. Okay. Good. You do it. No. Hey. No.
Bob,
Stop.
cut it out.
Stop. Come on.
He likes being sprayed, so.
Stop.
Babaloo! Calm it down. That's a tone of voice thing. It doesn't matter what I say, it's a tone of voice. Bob! Babaloo! No, he's just getting a kick out of just keeping you on edge.
He has. He's basically down here, and he has everybody's attention, including like totally mine. Everybody's just look, he's gonna bite my butt. He has everybody's attention. No.
Babaloo!
No.
Romeo made it out today.
Romeo's out. We had a little excitement getting him out. He gets scared easy. And earlier I was spending some time with him. And things were going really well. So I got excited because I wanted him to come in the aviary. I ran in there too fast. Reached in, brought him out, thought we were fine. And when I was closing the door, got him a little too close to my face and he got scared and he got my face a little bit. I haven't looked at it yet. But what I did was, when that happened, and here
Bob!
comes Bob. Whoa. Oh, he's going to get the bell. Little stinker. No.
Babaloo!
Bob. Reached in, brought him out, and when I was shutting the door, I was locking the door, right? Safety first. And I got him a little too close to my face, and when that door kind of closed, it spooked him, and he got my face. It wasn't a hard one, but he was just so scared. He was trembling. So I just kind of dropped to the ground really quick and I just cuddled him up. And this one, you got to do that. And I told him it's okay. And I apologize for moving too fast. Yeah. So it's just so hard with some of these birds, you know. It's like you make a lot of progress and then you think, you know, you can continue from that progress. But you kind of have to start over with some of them like this. Just got to always move slow. Because we don't know what they've been through or what they've experienced and what's going to trigger them, and just got to take it slow. But the important thing is never ever get upset or take it personal when that happens, because he bit me for a reason. He was scared. He was so scared. I could just feel it and it broke my heart. So it's going to be okay. But I'm just so excited that he's outside. What a brave boy. He's outside and he's scared to come outside sometimes. So that's wonderful. Yeah, that's great. I'm so proud of you, honey. I love you too. Yeah. It's okay, baby. It's okay. I love you too. Who's chewing on my ankle over there? You remind me of a kayik, Cecil. You really do. Yeah, but he's gonna be okay. But I'm so excited that he's out. When was the last time he was out, Dawn, in the aviary?
It's been a while.
Long time. I love you. You gave me a kiss on the cheeky. Yes, you did. Yeah. You just gotta be alert when you're with these wild animals, because you just never know what's gonna happen. You never know what's gonna happen. And you know, you guys, when you get bit, it's not the bird's fault, it's your fault. That was my fault why I got bit.
She's still got all of her fingers and toes, but she's going to be here for a few more minutes. We're going to say goodbye. That's it for this wrap for this video, and we'll see you next time. Remember to support us on Patreon. Patreon.com/Chloe Sanctuary. Lorelai's got my tongue.